Attention! There is an imminent threat. Please listen the whole message. Do not turn off your device until it ends. This message is provided by Alabama State with the request of Montgomery law enforcement. Please stand by. Important instructions will follow. There is a containment breach occurred on Time Crack Isolation Center 147 Alpha, today at 6:32 a.m. Dozens of armed men passed the time passage, and reached our world. According to the statements of witnesses who reside near the isolation chamber, 12 men in iron plate armor were carrying swords, maces and torches in their hands. The law enforcement officers, who arrived at the scene 14 minutes after the incident, unfortunately could not find the 12 men passing through the passage at the scene. The Montgomery law enforcement had been issued this warning message in order to advise the residents of Alabama and neighboring states. Residents are encouraged to be completely vigilant for the Passagemen. According to witness statements, they were dressed in leather gloves, shoes, iron helmets with tassels, and armor plates with double-headed eagle carvings. They were 6 feet 3 inches to 5 feet 7 inches long. Watch out for the eagle. If you see someone carrying a banner or armor plate with this pattern, call 911 or 334-676-6002 immediately. Do not talk or interact with any individual. This will alter our timeline. Please be advised these 12 men are highly dangerous and acting aggressive behavior. Any kind of interaction will risk you, your surrounding in the world. Thank you for your time. This message will be repeated every hour until individuals found. Listen again next hour for any updates.
Warning. Warning. We interrupt your regularly scheduled programming due to an imminent threat in your area. Listen closely. This is not a drill. There is some update about Passagemen incident. One of the Passagemen was apprehended with the help of local residents. Passagemen will be taken to the fully guarded containment chamber in order to not alter our reality. During this time, 11 escaped Passagemen injured 4 local farmers, looted the farmhouse, and killed 3 cows and 1 sheep near Uniontown. Also, there is a report about a missing 24-year-old male. He was wearing a black hoodie with blue jeans. Last seen near Moron County on a memorial cemetery. The investigative bureau is still investigating whether this incident has anything to do with time passagemen. The Alabama State Department of Public Safety has decided to imply a curfew starting tonight and will continue until further notice. During the curfew, all shops, schools, and daycares will also be closed. It is advised that citizens stay at home, close the lights and do not make unnecessary noises. If you see or hear anything unusual, please immediately report it to the local law enforcement team. These men are highly dangerous. Do not try to interact with them. We are trying to seal the crack as it could pose another threat. The security doubled up. We will ensure you this incident will never happen. Thank you for your time. Good luck.